Ayun! Oh, siya yun, di ba? Siya na lang balay mo at wag ako.
Hindi ko na crush yun.
Talaga?
Yup.
Bakit?
Hindi ko siya lagi nakikita eh. Ano, aakyat pa ako para masilayan yung gwapo niya mukha?
Huwag na, uy.
Yung mapagod.
Tama behavior.
Kaya napagdesisyonan ko, iba na ang crush ko.
Malapit ba sa'yo?
Correct.
Sino?
Si Xavier. Yes. Hi, Xavier.
Hey,
Sige, lakad ka na.
bakit siya? Ayaw mo ba sa'kin? Malapit din naman ako ah.
Hoy!
Doon ka sa kanya.
Ba't ka galit? Gusto mo ba hanapan kita ng crush? Best friendship yata tong kaibigan mo. Marami akong kilalang sigan na ikaw yung gusto.
Walang kwenta.
Aray ah! Ako na nga itong tinutulungan.
Gusto nila ako. Pero ikaw yung gusto ko. Kaso iba naman yung gusto mo.
Baguhin mo na lang sa settings.
What?
Wala akong masabi.
Rosalie naman.
Ano?
Ayun ba talaga sa akin? Hindi ka naman magugustuhan ni Xavier Yabang.
Ayun nga. Mas nagugustuhan ko yung taong hindi ako gusto.
Hindi na kita gusto. Ayoko na sa'yo. Ayoko na sa'yo.
Ano? Kaya wala ako nagiging jowa eh. Bukod sa hindi nila ako gusto, ang sakit pa sa ulo ng mga lalaki.
I hope it's romantic all my life, surrounded by couples all the time. I guess I should take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I found a lover that could hold me. Now I'm crying in my room, so skeptical of, but still I wanted more, more, more. I gave a second chance to Cupid, but now I can't feel this stupid. All the way it makes me feel that love isn't real. Cupid is so tough. I look for his arrows every day. I guess he got lost or flew away. Waiting around is a waste, and counting the days is November. His loving is good as they say. Now I'm so lonely. Oh, I wish I found a lover that
What's wrong with me? Why do I feel like this? I'm going crazy now. No more gas in the red. Can't even think about it. Nothing heard, nothing said. Can't even speak about it. I'm alive, on my head. Don't wanna think about it. Feels like I'm going insane, yeah. It's a thief in the night to come and grab you. It can creep up inside you and consume you. A disease of the mind, it can control you. It's too close for comfort.
Like a Kindle, won't wash my hair, then make 'em bounce like a basketball. Like you, make me wanna act like a girl, paint my nails and wear high heels. Yes, you make me so nervous and I just can't hold your hand. You make me glow, but I cover up, won't let it show. So I'm putting my defenses up, 'cause I don't wanna fall in love. If I ever did that, I think I'd have a heart attack. I think I'd have a heart attack. I think I'd have a heart attack.
Guess there is something and there is nothing. There is nothing in between. And in my eyes there's a tiny dancer watching over me. He without you. I need you here to stay. I broke all my bones that day I found you, crying at the lake. Was it something I said to make you feel like you're a burden on? And if I could take it all back.
Hey! I've been waiting for this moment. I'm Stanley.
Hindi ko tinatanong.
Yeah, I know, but I just want to introduce myself because I really like you, Natasha.
Wala akong pake.
Nagpapakilala lang naman ako. You don't have to be rude, you know?
Kapag in-entertain kita, iisipin mo na interesado ako sa'yo. Kaso, wala naman talaga akong pake kung sino ka o kung gusto mo ko.
Taas naman ang tingin mo sa sarili mo.
Mataas din yung standards ko.
Sa lagay na yun, akala mo may papatol pa sa'yo.
Meron na. Huli ka na masyado sa balita. Anyway, di ba may girlfriend ka?
What?
That's why you're familiar. I've been seeing your girlfriend's post about you sa Facebook timeline ko. What was her name again? Arya?
She's not my girlfriend. I don't have any girlfriend.
Hindi mo girlfriend pero according sa post niya, kaka-celebrate niyo lang ng 2nd anniversary. Ano yun?
Are you stalking me?
Hindi mo ba narinig yung sinabi ko sa'yo kanina? Sabi ko, nakikita ko yung mga post ng girlfriend mo tungkol sa'yo sa Facebook timeline ko. Ano ba? Hindi ka nakikinig. Lagot ka.
Why?
Girlfriend mo.
Arya, I can explain. Arya,
Tama nga yung rumors tungkol sa'yo. Na malandi ka, Natasha. Ay! Leave my boyfriend alone. Te, hindi akong kaaway mo. Itong boyfriend mo dapat yung inaaway mo. He said he likes me and he denied you. I was just helping you to get rid of this boy. Save your heart. Bakit? Para sa'yo siya mapunta? In your dreams. Tanga. What? Isa kang malaking tanga. Bagay nga kayo. Pares kayo nababaliw na. Hi, babe! I'm sorry I'm late. Na-traffic kasi ako. Tara, kain na tayo? Saan mo ba gusto? Shakey's? Ha? Someone's following me. Please help me. Babe! Finally! Kanina pa kita hinihintay. Kala ko nga di ka nadadating eh. O pre, bakit mo tinitignan tong girlfriend ko? May problema ka ba?
wala.
Salamat. Sobrang salamat.
Okay ka lang, miss?
Yes, I'm fine. It's a relief. Please, next time magdoble ingat ka, okay? I was actually meeting with my friends, pero baka kasi pati sila mapahama kaya sa ibang route ako dumaan.
Kaya ako yung nilapitan mo.
Mukha ka naman kasing harmless.
Talaga?
Kung gusto mo, i-treat kita.
Wow. My face really deceived, di ba?
Huh?
That guy keeps on following you. That's my brother. Huwag kang sisigaw. Huwag ka na magtama tumakas.
Please don't hurt me. Please.
Good job, bro.
Happy first anniversary, Christoph.
Happy anniversary. May regalo ako.
Wait, ano yun? Tingin nga.
It's actually a speech.
Speech?
Parinig ako. Really? Okay. Nakabahan ako. Okay. To the woman I love the most. Hi, my Elizabeth. I started admiring you 2 years ago. Naglalaro ka ng tennis na time na yun. Sobrang attractive mo kahit basang-basa ka ng pawis tapos hingal na hingal dahil sa pagod na nararamdaman mo. Grabe, amoy araw ko ng time na yun. Nakakahiya! Simula nun, lagi na ako nanonood ng practice niyo. I knew from then that my infatuation for you starts to grow into love. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako lalapit sa'yo. Kasi sobrang torpe ko pala talaga noon. Patay na patay ka talaga sa akin, no? Kaya gumawa ka ng paraan. Anong paraan? Tinapat kita. Ha? Naalala mo ba nung may sumusunod sa'yo hanggang sa bahay niyo? Ako yun. What? Tapos isang araw, I got impatient. Hinabol kita habang may dalang kutsilyo. Naalala mo? Tapos nag-iba ako ng daan. Tapos nagpalit ako ng damit. Tapos sinalubong na tayo. Umiiyak ka nga nung nagkabungguan tayo eh. Of course, I acted as if I don't know anything and asked you. What happened? Bakit ka umiiyak? Are you okay? Tapos nagkwento ka.